Hello all, welcome to the Crash and Burn channel. Today we're going to be looking at ELINOOVER. Nice quad. Got this in the mail today. Actually it was a surprise to me. My son bought this for me. So we're going to give it a decent review. But this was bought from Amazon. They run around $30. But it looks pretty cool just with the picture. I mean, the box is okay. It's got plastic insert. It had a little handle. I don't know why. If it had a case it'd be cool, but it had plastic insert, so I don't know how you'd want the handle, but anyway. It looks wicked awesome. Again, this is the ELINOOVER. Okay. Now, this is the drone. Already charged the battery. This is the front. You can see that it has a camera on it. This camera does not move at all. It's stationary or static. So this is more like an FPV type quad or drone, which is pretty cool. Alright, there's the power button back up top here. Okay, it has brush motors. You can see them on the inside. You can see the little top of the motor there. But yeah, it looks wicked cool. It's wicked shiny. Plastic's really nice on it. The battery is in the back. Right here. You pull this forward and open this little back here, and there's the battery. I haven't plugged it in yet. I did charge the battery. Let me pull the battery out. Tip it upside down so you guys can see this. See, just pull the battery out of here. Woohoo! Why it's just giving me a problem. There we go. Put this drone like this. So this is a 2000 milliamp battery, 2S, which means 2 cells. Say 2 batteries. We would say there would be a 2S, 3.7, 2000 mAh. Yeah, I imagine this might fly a little while. Might have some power too. On the side here you can see the little antenna. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see the antenna. Right there. The antenna. Pretty wild. Okay. Put the battery back in this. I plug it in too while I'm at it. Plug this baby in. Oop, so it was the right way. And just push it in. Fold your wire in a little bit. Take your little door. Push it forward. Nope, I didn't get the battery in right. Hold on. Put a wire out there. Now you push it in. There you go. Pretty wild. That's the drone, or the quadcopter. Just to let you know, they call this a quadcopter. Okay, not a drone. It's called a quadcopter. Read it right on the box. This is the remote. It's a standard remote. Your trim's on the left and your auto takeoff. Your flip. Speed up on top, camera and photograph, power button underneath. So you turn it on, you see a red and blue. The red light's for the video, blue is saying power. Okay, so it's pretty simple. It takes 4 AAAs in order to run this. Comes with prop guards. And this what came in the box. Get a charger. 4 blades. And a screwdriver. And you can buy this on Amazon for like 30 bucks. Oh, also get your instructions. Okay. The very back, your QCR codes, because this does run on an app, so you can do some FPV with this. I haven't tried it yet, but with a stationary camera, that's usually what you do with these. I mean, they're not aerial, because reason being is when you take this quad or this drone, since that's stationary, it doesn't have a gimbal. When you go up, the camera's going to go up. When you go down, the camera's going to go down. If you take a turn, it's going to turn with you. So it's like FPV, first person view, you know. You have to have a gimbal, excuse me, in order for the camera to stay straight. So when you turn like this, the camera doesn't turn, it stays stationary. But anyway, this is more of an FPV Pro. Let's turn it on. Okay. Guess somebody's playing games with us because they got red in the front, green in the back, which is not right. It should be red in the back, green in the front. So we might make a change later on that. First I need to fly it. Okay. Let's see if we can just start it up but not take off. We don't want to kill anybody. So it binds, no sweat. And you put your throttles in. See how it calibrates? Okay. Want to try a test flight? Yeah, I think we should take a test flight. We're gonna take a test flight, which I shouldn't be doing. But it sounds like fun. Okay, before we go through this test flight, this is crash and burn anyway, but this is the video that comes from the ELINOOVER. I did a short flight with it with the camera running in the app that I downloaded from the iOS. I have an iPhone and an iPad, so I use the Apple products. But you can see that it takes a pretty decent video. Not bad at all. You'll see that she was pretty stable too, so it looks like it'd make a good little FPV drone. Or quadcopter. It's not a drone. It's a quadcopter. I keep on saying drone. But yeah, doesn't take too bad of a picture. This is me flying it. So let's get back to the actual flying of it so you can see it fly in the room. Oh, that was nice. Nice little drone. The quad. Not bad. Sounds great. Mind you, it's a little room, so doing this indoors, not live, but I'm known to fly some big stuff in this room. Whoa. Yeah. Not a bad little room. Just let me control it. Alright, let's bring it down. Pretty wild. Put this off. Yeah, so not a bad little flyer. So again, This is ELINOOVER QUadcoptor. Get it for about 30 bucks on Amazon. Got Prime, you can get it overnight. But yeah, it says about 28 minutes. I believe that with the big battery. But I want to take this outside. That was just speed one. It's in my house, so once you come back, when I take this out for a test flight outside, we'll see how fast this thing can go. But I think it's going to be quick. I think she's going to handle outside with no problem whatsoever. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget that. And give me a like if you enjoy this video. Again, welcome to Crash and Burn's channel.